As I tell you, I am one of the unpopular bloggers because I speak truth. And when you are the speaker of the truth, you end up with little or no friends. I said it. That every year, the Jamaican went to the Olympics. By the time the meet is over, the Jamaican camp is so divided that some of the athletes find other countries to go. Shellyan pull out of the 100 meter. Sharika now pulls out of the 200 meter. What is happening in the camp? Sharika, earlier interview, she said she was very fit and she was doing well. And she pulled out of the 200 meter. Who is sponsoring these things? Is taxpayers' money? Should we start reconsidering abolishing championship? The Olympics? It is getting from bad to worse. Our conflict and toxicity, whatever that word is so much that wherever we go, spill right over. What is happening in Paris? Well, I already predicted it, and you don't have to be a prophet to know so this is gonna happen. You just need to be following the thing. You just need to follow the trend. The coaches who coach that the club and that the club, who just want for them athlete to perform, is destroying the camp. It is no longer Team Jamaica when we go on the big stage. It's a disgrace.